Most guys think attraction is about having the perfect jawline, a six-pack, or a fat bank account, but here's the truth. Women aren't wired that way. What really pulls her in is how you make her feel. So today, I'm going to break down 8 powerful things you can do to instantly spark attraction and make women melt. Things you can apply starting today without needing to change who you are. 1. Strong eye contact. Eye contact is magnetic. If you look away too much, you seem insecure. If you stare too hard, you look creepy. But if you hold calm, confident eye contact, it creates this unspoken connection. Imagine you're talking to her, and instead of darting your eyes around, you lock in just enough to show presence. That moment tells her, I see you, I'm grounded, and I'm confident. And that's powerful. 2. Playful humor. Laughter is the fastest way to lower a woman's guard. It's not about being a comedian. It's about showing you can have fun. Tease her lightly about something, or make a witty observation about your surroundings. For example, if she orders pineapple pizza, you can say, I don't know if we can hang out anymore. That playfulness creates tension, the good kind. She'll associate being around you with feeling good. 3. Confident body language. Before you even say a word, your body tells her everything. Do you slouch, fidget, look nervous, or do you stand tall, move slowly, and take up space? Women are wired to notice these things because they reveal confidence and security. Next time you walk into a room, pull your shoulders back, breathe deep, and own your space. That nonverbal confidence makes her lean in without you having to try. 4. Active listening. Here's a big one. Most guys don't listen. They wait for their turn to talk. Women pick up on that instantly. Active listening means really paying attention, asking follow-up questions, and making her feel heard. For example, if she says she's into photography, don't just nod. Say, that's awesome. What do you like to shoot the most? That level of attention makes her feel valued, and trust me, that's rare. Which is why it's so attractive. 5. Gentle touch at the right time. Touch is one of the strongest forms of communication, but it has to be done right. It's not about grabbing her or being too forward. It's about subtle, respectful touches that build connection, like a light tap on her arm when you're laughing, guiding her gently as you walk through a door, or a playful high five. These small, innocent touches signal confidence and start building physical chemistry without words. 6. Ambition and drive. You don't need to be rich, but you do need purpose. A man with ambition shows he's not stuck, he's going somewhere. Women are drawn to men who have a mission, who wake up with goals, who are building something. It's less about where you are right now, and more about the fire inside you. Share your dreams, talk about what you're working on, and she'll see you as someone she can admire and respect. 7. Authentic compliments. Most women hear the same boring lines over and over. You're hot. You're pretty. That doesn't stand out. Instead, compliment what's unique. Tell her you love her laugh or the way she lights up when she talks about something she loves. Those authentic compliments show you actually see her beyond the surface, and that melts women instantly. 8. Masculine calmness. This one might be the most powerful of all. Life gets messy, things go wrong. But when you stay calm and grounded instead of panicking, it makes her feel safe. Women are deeply attracted to a man who can handle stress with composure. Whether it's traffic, a problem at work, or even just waiting in a long line, your ability to stay collected sends the message, I've got this. And that energy is irresistible. So here's the takeaway. Attraction isn't about trying too hard. It's not about being perfect. It's about how you show up, the little things you do that make her feel seen, safe, and excited around you. Start practicing even 2 or 3 of these, and watch how women respond differently to you. Now let me know, which of these 8 do you already do naturally, and which one are you going to work on first? Drop it in the comments below.